And on today's Adventure Diaries, our reporter Tobias Chanji focuses on the African Pavilion inside Dubai's Global Village, where governments, public and private institutions, individual entrepreneurs, as well as small-scale traders have a levy-free trading within the most dynamic commercial hub in the Arabian Gulf. Take a look.
Dubai is known with many firsts. For example, it hosts the tallest building in the world. It also has the second largest aquarium after Georgia that holds over 2 million liters of water. Without doubt, Dubai is the epicenter of the richest regions with a diversified economy fueled by its 120 shipping lines and 105 airlines connecting to over 145 global destinations.
Dubai is a platform and it covers over 1.5 billion people.
The Global Village, Dubai, which has evolved into the fastest growing commercial hub, straddles three vibrant and commercially viable continents of the world: Africa, Asia and Europe. And now, a Kenyan, Jalal Balala, who is the executive director, Al Aziza Exhibition, has continuously organized for exhibitions since 2002.
As a market itself is very small because it's a city-state. But what is around it, the re-export market is so huge, and that's what Kenyans should target.
Through Africa Pavilion platform, Dubai Shopping Festival attracts about 7.5 million visitors.
There are over 7.5 million visitors who came into the Global Village last year. Out of the 160 nationalities visited the Global Village. The happiness index of the Global Village is over 9 out of 10. So it's a platform for people to go and showcase themselves, even test their products within 6 months.
In short, the Global Village is a leading family cultural shopping and entertainment destination, providing a unique platform and the perfect forum for the world countries to showcase merchandise, economy, arts and crafts, tourism, heritage culture, architecture and cuisine, and unique lifestyle.
And handicraft business is a billion-dollar business, and the government should do more to support the handicraft people, the handicraft businessmen, because these are made in the villages, and those people need help to market their wares.
Tobias Chanji, KT News.